Hi. Hope you guys are doing okay. Goldie, get off the table.
It's our cat.
Here, we have a special visitor today. Show him Goldie. There you go. There's Goldie. Okay, Goldie, now get out of the way. All right, I have a book to read for you today. It is called Animals. Strange, unusual, gross, and cool. I chose this book because these are the kind of books you choose when you go to the library and you come in and you want to show me and freak me out with all these animal facts, and I love that when we do that. So I chose this book for you. I thought everybody would like it. Not going to read the whole thing. It's really long, but I have some post-it notes here you can see on the cool parts. This is nonfiction. These animals are real, and the facts about these animals are real. So let's look at it. This is the first part I thought was neat. Over here it has a neat little depth. This is the ocean surface. That's the top of the water. This is all the way to the bottom. And then it shows how deep they are from there. This guy here is called the frilled shark. It has a flexible body. The flexible body is buoyant in deep water. Buoyant is the same as floaty. It can float. Each tooth has 3 points like a trident. Whoa. Do not want to mess with that guy. Small pectoral fin. That's pointing. It's got an arrow pointing to that right there. Vampire squid. Look at that guy. It says the vampire squid can squirt a cloud of glowing mucus into the water around it. Humpback anglerfish. Look at him. He's pretty terrifying, isn't he? The snipe eel. It's kind of cute little face, but I think he's pretty terrifying. And then, whoa, fangtooth. And this guy right here is blobfish. It said it was voted the world's ugliest animal in 2013. I agree with that. There's something about him that's kind of cute a little bit though.
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
Deep sea octopod. This little guy right here is tiny. He can fit in a human hand.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, bye, creatures of the deep. Next, I have mimics. Mimic means pretend to be something else. So let's start with this. This is called the leaf insect. That is a bug. You can see its little face right there. There's its little feet, but it looks like a leaf, so it blends in. So it can, so nothing knows that it's there. It can sit hide in plain sight. This is a hummingbird moth. I think it's super adorable.
Wow, that's so cute.
Yeah, so it can hover around, it says, just like, it looks just like a hummingbird. This down here is called a Mexican milk snake. And it looks like the deadly species with similar colors, but it's not. This, if you get in there, can you see it? It looks like moss, but it's not. It's really a frog. Tonkin bug-eyed frog. This is a really cool animal right here. That's an ant, and that's an ant mimic spider. So it looks like an ant. It gets in there among the ants, and then it eats them. That's pretty mean guy. Scary. But yeah, very scary, but kind of cool. Let's see next what I have. Bugs.
Oh,
lots of neat bugs. The Australian house centipede, even though it said it's really not a centipede, it only has 30 legs. So that's a pretty wild looking thing. This right here, this actually, we have these in our state. It says the southern and eastern United States, so we have that. It's a hickory horned devil.
Great.
I think we should be that at DuPont instead of the bulldogs. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
This is an African paper wasp.
Wow, that looks weird.
It chews up wood, and it mixes it with saliva to make a paper nest. This guy's kind of cute right here. Puss moth caterpillar, when threatened, it raises its red snout, and it says it sprays its enemy with formic acid. So that is not a guy you want to mess with right there. This is a European rhinoceros beetle. This reminds me of the book we read yesterday. Lulu is a rhinoceros. See his horn? This is a katydid. We do have these. You might see one of these. Reminds me sort of the leaf bug a little bit. This is I'm assuming Isle moth. I'm not sure how to say that, guys. Sorry. It looks like the eyes of a larger animal, so it discourages enemies from eating it. This is a Japanese giant hornet, 2 inches long, guys. That's that long. That giant hornet. Those are mean, like a wasp or something. Leaf-footed bug. You can see why it's called that. See its feet. This is the slug caterpillar. The hairy spines, they sting. So you want to leave that guy alone, but he's in South America, so we don't have to worry about him. This is Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Oh God.
Yeah, it makes a sound. It sounds like hissing, and it's actually air blowing out of special holes in its shell. This is a wheel bug. It says, look out when harassed. This assassin bug can let out a stinky smell.
Look, that's North America.
Yep, North America. We might have those there. Southeast Asia, so we don't have these here. It's really pretty. Lantern bug is what it's called. Thorn tree hoppers. Ooh, it's got a little horn on the back of it. A little pointed shell right there.
Probably
It looks like the thorns.
herself.
Yes, well, probably it is. You're right, Lily. And it also says it looks like thorns. See how this, that's a thorn from the plant. So it looks like a thorn. So, that's all I'm going to read of this one today. I might read some more if you guys request that. I would like to challenge you to ask your mom if you can go on the computer, or mom, grown up, whoever you're with right now, if you can go on the computer and or the phone and find your own animal that is neat, strange, unusual, gross, or cool. And if you could write about it, please draw a picture, just like we do our writing, and write about it and draw a picture. And you can ask if they would like to send me the picture and a picture of your writing and your drawing. I would love to see it. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.